minutes, asking them for one meeting, one call. यार एक कॉल कर लो समझाने दो what we do. None of them responded, and I still remember when Mr. Narayan Murthy, he's one of the founders of Infosys. When Mr. Murthy had come to our cafe in Hubli, and thankfully.
Okay, Sahil, please proceed.
Yes. Good evening to all, respected guests, entrepreneurs, students, teachers, and all my friends. I, Sahil Saxena, coordinator of Innovation Incubation Startup Cell KNIT Sultanpur, which have incubated 4 startups in last 2 years and is also affiliated by IIC under MHRD, welcome you to a 2-day series of interviews, The Genesis. So I hope you are all ready and equally excited. For the first session of this great journey, we have with us this very special guest and a great entrepreneur who believes in everybody having a story and also has one for herself. So before you hear it all from me, let's wait no more and welcome CEO of Mitti Cafe, Alina Alam, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome, Alina.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Alina, please come. Myself, Aditi Maurya, coordinator IIC KNIT Sultanpur. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for being with us today. It's a great opportunity for all of us, the team and the audience, to listen to the story of a person like you, who is a true altruist and a successful entrepreneur. The story starts as a story of a normal student and becomes incredible as it moves ahead. It's an inspiration for many of us here. It is because of the stories and experiences like yours which needs to be told, and I must tell you that our audience is eager to know more about it. So let's start, if you say.
Okay, I was on mute. Absolutely, Aditi. I am very excited. I think we're 140 strong, and
Yes,
whatever bit of knowledge through failures and bits of success that I've been able to gather in these 3 years of being an entrepreneur after graduating from college, I think we try to pass on all of that, and I hope we have some time for Q&As also.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Alina, we can keep it till the last. We have already so much question. I think we can cover all the questions in our questionnaire. Okay, so let's start. I trust that almost everyone present over here is very well familiar with your amazing startup that is Mitti Cafe. But our audience are from very different corners of our state. So once and for all, I would like you to describe the beautiful initiative in your own words. Also, what was the idea behind this?
Thank you so much, Aditi. So, generally, I've been asked this in the last 3 years. No. But I think every time that I speak about it, for me, it reminds me of my roots. Why I'm doing what I'm doing. So, of course, एक entrepreneurship होता है, and anything, whether it's entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship, as long as you're adding value to people's life, जैसे Ola, Uber भी entrepreneurship कर रहा है, and they're doing great work. I mean, they've changed the entire concept of dignity of labor, right? I mean, every second person now, I mean, they'd be fine. I mean, being Uber or Ola driver, we become entrepreneurs. The only difference between, say, a for-profit organization and जो हम कर रहे हैं not-for-profit is कि हमारा ultimate aim is welfare. Coming to how did I start this journey? So let's go back 3 years, and I was in college, much like y'all, waiting for placements to happen. कि यार अभी तो placements, तो मेरे घर पे भी सब लोग एकदम खुशी मना रहे थे कि finally इसका इससे थोड़ा बहुत छुटकारा मिलेगा. But then I think there was one thing that really changed my life, and that was this एक documentary था. So it's called Nero's Guests, and for those of you who don't know Nero कौन है, उसको जानना आप लोग के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. So he's that guy who changed my life. So Nero was this emperor in the ancient Roman Empire, राजा था, and he would win one war after the other, and then one day he won the biggest battle of his life. And आप जब जीतते हो क्या करते हो, पार्टी देते हो ना फ्रेंड्स को, मतलब अगर कुछ जीत गए कॉलेज में, स्पोर्ट्स में फर्स्ट आए, सेकंड आए, थर्ड आए, लास्ट आए, तो पार्टी तो देते हो. सो वो तो he won a war, and he decided to give a party, and he invited the who's who of Tinseltown, kings and queens, prince and princesses. And जब शाम हुआ तब तो bulbs नहीं थे. So our Nero had this idea, why not burn some waste to generate light? कचरा जलाता है ना. And he did that. And for him, that waste was the prisoners of war, that he captured, the poor people who were captured, and he burned them. And sitting in that classroom, जब मुझे तब realize हुआ ना कि problem Nero है ही नहीं, because there will always be Neros in this world. But the problem sitting in that classroom, what that 23-year-old something realized, was that the problem was Nero's guests. How his guests, all of them could sing, dance, drink, while fellow human beings burned and died. And a bigger realization for me, guys, was that मुझे पता चला मेरा हकीकत क्या है. I realized that I was one of Nero's guests. हम ही Nero के guest हैं. When you really think about something and you're not ready to take action, कि हाँ ठीक है जाने दो, then you've taken a side. That's also fine, but you need to know your reality. मतलब it was like a mirror image for me कि यार ये तो हम तो Nero के guest हैं. And that just changed my life. That if you feel about something, if you don't do anything about it, then you've taken the side of the oppressor. Simple. So I decided कि यार अभी placements में अगर बैठ गए तो रात में उतना सो नहीं पाएंगे. I don't think I'll be able to sleep well at night. And I decided to change that reality of mine. I decided I do not want to be Nero's guest. I started volunteering with organizations जो लोग inclusion space में काम करते हैं, disability inclusion space में काम करते हैं. And then I realized कि भाई problem तो है ही नहीं कि there are 70 lakh people with disabilities in our country. Problem ये भी नहीं है कि 1.2 billion people with disabilities पूरे विश्व में है. Problem is the disability in our perception and not their ability. And I realized this when I started working with these organizations working in the inclusion space. तो मुझे एक ऐसा करना था कि I wanted to create a model जो कि visible हो, tangible हो, interactive हो, and the success or failure of the model ना मेरा enterprise would be directly dependent on the community. मतलब मिट्टी कैफे में तो बना दिया ना, लोग को भी ला दिया, but चलना है if people accept it as a model of inclusion. And खाना क्यों, why food, बहुत सारा कुछ कर सकते थे, but food, because food connects people to people. Mother to child, husband to wife, and the husband cooks good meals for the wife, and so on. So food connects people to people, and that's how Mitti Cafe started. With empty pockets, failed sales attempts, several rejections. So I think every incubation center that I applied to when I started, I got rejected. So उसके भी बहुत सारी stories हैं, but I think as we go along we could talk about it.
Yes, Alina, of course. And the story is great to hear all this from your side. That with words you put all the efforts and happiness while you speak. So for the second question we have, that for the idea and the work, you have received worldwide appreciation. You have received many awards, including Rotary Exemplar Award, Mindtree Helen Keller Award, and Times of India She Unlimited Award. How does it feel to have been listed as one of the social entrepreneurs in the under 30 list published by Forbes? How was your experience regarding that?
So I think Aditi, when you start your journey ना, तो ये सब बहुत exciting लगता है कि यार ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी होगा. But at the end of the day, it is very important to be honest to your roots. You know that you are what you are because of the people behind you. I have one of the most fantastic teams. अभी हमारे 13 cafes है, 13 cafes managed by adults with physical, intellectual, and psychiatric disabilities. During COVID, they have served over 10 lakh meals. हमारे people with disabilities, many of them have been rehabilitated from the road. They have served, over 1 million meals. In the last 3 years, they've served over 50 lakh meals through our cafes. So when you look at these awards are them. Right? They not even, I don't even consider myself, being worthy of such awards, but it's always a team effort. And in my organization, हम सबसे ज़्यादा कामचोर हैं, बाकी सब मेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा काम करते हैं. So the award belongs to them. But I think this year we've been enlisted in the Forbes list of 30 under 30 Asia, and the team was very excited. But then with every award, I think बहुत important होता है that आप अपना goal raise करते हो. That is very important. तो क्या फायदा है ना, मतलब people are appreciating you and you need to give them value for their appreciation. तो हर बार गोल बढ़ जाता है in terms of क्या डिलीवर करना है, कितना इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करना है. तो मुझे अवार्ड से भी बहुत टेंशन होता है because I have to be true to myself.
But congratulations for that, and your achievements are commendable. I mean, instead for the goals, you are right that every time it increases. But still, the achievements are commendable, and same is for your work. Mitti started its operation in 2016 from a deserted shed in Hubli to establishing your units, giant units, and Infosys, Wipro. How has the journey been? I mean, what were the difficulties and what were the pleasures of this journey, Ali?
तो आदिति 2017 में शुरू हुआ and
sorry
but देखो पहले तो like I mentioned कि no पैसा, हाँ एकदम लड्डू था मेरे पास. I was just out of college, so very similar to आप लोग कि घर से पैसा मतलब second is that also मतलब everywhere that I applied to, I got rejected. I still remember एक incubation center ने मुझे ले लिया, ठीक है. So there was an incubation center that accepted us, and I was ecstatic कि पूरा इतना सारा मतलब इतने सारे को लिखा, finally एक ने हमें and that was basically for their launchpad program कि अगर आप उसमें select हो जाओगे तब incubation आपको मिल जाएगा. अभी तो इसको पकड़ लिया, अभी छोड़ने का नहीं. So when that happened, I still remember कि तब हमारा कैफेज नहीं था, बस कॉन्सेप्ट था, बहुत सारा भर के like जिद था, wanting to do good. तो I went and I pitch पता है ना आप लोग को कि आप जाके अपना आइडिया कॉन्सेप्ट पिच करते हो, बोलते हो, समझाते हो क्या है, and then as per that आप the judges score you. तो हम नाम तो नहीं लेंगे कि which organization that was, but then there were 3 judges, okay, and बहुत parameters था कि experience, scalability, then business viability, मतलब ऐसा सब था, मतलब then on the basis of which they would mark you, the 3 judges post your pitch, ठीक है. And last parameter was passion. So सब में तो मुझे लड्डू दिया था, ठीक है. मोस्ट ऑफ द कंडीशंस की मतलब एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था और कुछ नहीं था. स्केलेबिलिटी भी मतलब आई डिडंट इवन नो, जब हम शुरू किए थे ना कैपेक्स और ओपेक्स क्या है, हाँ मतलब आप लोग से बहुत बुरे कंडीशन में थे, मुझे पता नहीं था कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर और बाकी सब क्या होता है. सो आई मीन इट वाज रियली मतलब सब में तो स्कोर बहुत खराब मिला था. बट लास्ट एंड मतलब एकदम ड्रामेटिकली लास्ट जो कॉलम था उसमें था पैशन. एंड गेस करो कितना मिला होगा. तीनों जजेस ने मुझे एक मतलब दे गेव मी 1 टाइप ऑफ स्कोर. कितना दिया होगा पैशन में 5 में?
Maybe 5.
उन्होंने मुझे 1 out of 5 दिया यूनानिमसली. हाँ 1 out of 5 तीनों जजेस ने मुझे दिया था. एंड वी कुड सी द स्कोर्स फॉर्चुनेटली और अनफॉर्चुनेटली. एंड उस दिन आई वेंट बैक होम एंड आई क्राइड कि यार भाई मैं तो कुछ नहीं है बताया, बट पैशन तो दिखता है यार, मुझे भी दिखता है मेरे हाथ में, तो उनको कैसे नहीं दिखा. एंड दैट वाज a turning point for me when for me it was कि यार दुनिया का सोचे सुने या फिर do I listen to that heart जो कि सपने भी देखता है डरता भी है. So but I think it is very important to listen to yourself. जिद्दी होना is very important, and गेंटे का चमड़ा पता है ना, to have like a rhino skin, it is extremely important to be thick skinned in whatever you do, right? And also have like, when people, Kabir says निंदक निहरे राखी आनंद कुटी छवाए, that is you need to keep people who criticize you near you. I agree, positive criticism is good, but at the same time you also need to keep some positive people. Balance करना बहुत जरूरी है. That way I had people who really cared. Some didn't even believe in what I was doing, but then they just believed in me as a person. तो have those people. एक दो होने से भी काफी है, एक भी होने से काफी है. And listen to your heart. I think your heart is definitely more intelligent, या फिर intuition आप जो बोलते हो, than आपका खोपड़ी भेजा, whatever you call it. And that really, really helped. And good that I didn't listen to the words then. And I decided to start my first cafe in a dilapidated tin shed full of generations of rats. तो तब मुझे पता चला कम्युनिटी का पावर क्या है. सो बेसिकली आई रोट टू, तो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट ना गाइस बहुत सिंपल है. तो हम लोग वी ओपन कैफेज within corporate tech parks, okay, run completely by people with disabilities. Why within corporate tech parks? Even colleges के अंदर भी open, because infrastructure available है, rent भी उन लोग उतना they because of it is a good cause. We are giving them an opportunity to collaborate for this cause, giving them an opportunity to collaborate in an initiative that leads to economic independence and dignity for so many people. So that's how you sell, okay? So while I'm talking, I'm also teaching you things that हम रगड़ के सीखे हैं. कि it is whenever you ask for something, you have to say what are you giving that person. That is extremely important, okay? So for us, we started it in a dilapidated tin shed, बहुत सारे चूहों के साथ, and I got the community to help me, clean that up. Together we did it, and since then I've realized the power of the community. People who didn't know me, so I applied to I think 70-80 corporates, asking them for one meeting, one call. यार एक कॉल कर लो, समझाने दो what we do. None of them responded, and I still remember when Mr. Narayan Murthy, he's one of the founders of Infosys. When Mr. Murthy had come to our cafe in Hubli, and thankfully जो होता है ना अच्छे के लिए होता है, तो no corporate took us in Bangalore. फिर हुबली बोल के एक नॉर्थ कर्नाटका में जगह है, सुदेश पांडे फाउंडेशन said कि आप आ जाओ, पैसा नहीं देंगे आपको, connections भी देखेंगे, but we will give you that tin shed full of generations of rats. And I packed my bags and I went from Bangalore to a city that I didn't know, a town, Hubli, and that changed my life. We met Mr. Murthy and he asked me, did you also write to Infosys? I was like, I think whatever happens for the better. And today what we are is because of the community, Aditi. Because I still remember that electrician who came and who refused to charge us for the second-hand fridge. उसका 300 रुपया था charge. He refused after looking at our concept. It is the vegetable vendors जिन्होंने बोला अच्छा आपको basket चाहिए, you take it from us. So I think the community has been very powerful. Our entire, when I started I didn't have money. 90% of my equipments, whether it's मतलब बर्तन से लेकर fridge, oven, all of them were second hand, third hand. So that's how you start. And for those of y'all who want to start entrepreneurship, I think you all have this question कि यार डर लगता है कहाँ से शुरू करें, what if. Let me tell you this today कि if you have the question कि if you ask me कि यार करना तो है, अभी सबसे बड़ा आपका advice क्या होगा, I would say the advice is do it the way, because it's absolutely normal to feel fear. ठीक है, डर लगेगा, but you need to, I will have to pay Mountain Dew for this because I use that tagline everywhere कि डर के आगे actual में चाहिए. Because you will feel scared, that is normal, but it is very, very, very important for you to get over that fear and start doing. The moment you get activity ना, आपका हाथ पैर दिमाग सब काम करने लगता है ना, तो fear कमता है. That is the strategy. And make your mistakes, make your failure, but if you're zidding, you will be successful. It may take some time, but adamance is the key. Adamance and to be a leech.
Such a beautiful journey, Alina, and a much needed advice for all of us. I believe that all the hard work is worth the result for you, and while following your advice, you shall get that too. While going through your website, I saw that you have described Mitti as a sustainable NGO. We would like to know more about that particular aspect of it. What would you say about that?
तो देखो सस्टेनेबल कुछ भी इनिशिएटिव अगर होता है ना, सो यू हैव टू मतलब कि पैसा कहीं से तो आना है, ठीक है, मनी हैज टू कम इन, ठीक है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो जैसे देयर आर एनजीओज जैसे एजुकेशन में काम करते हैं और विद लेप्रेसी अफेक्टेड पेशेंट्स और एट ओल्ड एज होम, वहां से रेवेन्यू जनरेशन होना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो हाउ आर यू सस्टेनेबल? यू आर सस्टेनेबल थ्रू ग्रांट्स दैट यू गिव. एंड ग्रांट्स मतलब कुछ एहसान नहीं है, यू आर गिविंग पीपल एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू द सोसाइटी. उन लोग का पाप धुलने का अपॉर्चुनिटी, an opportunity for them to feel good, an opportunity for them to do things that they can't do. You are doing it for them, right? As for us, we are a sustainable organization. When हम लोग अगर कोई भी कैफे शुरू करते हैं, we only open it within institutions where there are 2000 plus people, मतलब captive audience, कहीं जा नहीं सकते, so they come back to us to buy. And that way each of our cafes, once it is started, it is self-sustainable for a lifetime. मतलब हमें पैसा नहीं लगता to pay salaries, to for the raw materials, for everything, accommodation, fooding, transportation, it is all taken care of by the cafe. So when I go to the cafe, I go there to eat. मतलब हम operations नहीं करते हैं.
That is so good, and it is. I mean, I can't explain it in words how I feel right now, because the whole journey, the whole everything is too inspirational. I hope you have so many experiences in various fields. How different has been the experience of training your staff? As your staff is no ordinary, I say. They are the superhuman trained by you.
नहीं, अमेजिंग, बहुत सारे के सारे मतलब अच्छे हैं, थोड़े थोड़े बदमाश भी हैं, मजाक भी करते हैं, so they are like you and me, ठीक है, मतलब एकदम एलियन है ही नहीं. मतलब when you meet adults with physical, intellectual and psychiatric और disability ना, आपको और हमको भी है कुछ ना कुछ. यार आप मेरे सामने, आई एम डूइंग बिजनेस, बट आप अगर मेरे सामने ना वो एक्सेल शीट रख दोगे बहुत सारे नंबर्स, तो हम भी ऐसा होने लगेंगे. ओके, सो एवरीबडी हैज अ डिसेबिलिटी, एंड यू नो एट द सेम टाइम आई वुड से दैट दे हैव ट्रेन्ड मी, ठीक है. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था ना, बिजनेस के बारे में पता था, आई डिडंट इवन नो हाउ टू वर्क. आई मतलब यू नो व्हेन आई वेंट टू ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, जो पहला ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर 70 लाख पीपल विद डिसेबिलिटीज इंडिया में ना, तो लॉजिकली लोग मिलने में तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. So I went to organizations working in the inclusion space कि मेरा पहला cafe, it's my first cafe. I need like 2 people, like any disability is fine. So they asked me, have you done business before? I said no. Have you done restaurant business before? I said no. Have you worked with persons with disabilities before? I said हाँ, volunteering तो किया है. Do you know sign language? I was like no. फिर उन्होंने मुझे भगा दिया. So I went from door to door, house to house, shop to shop, distributing vacancy pamphlets कन्नड़ा में, जो मुझे आता नहीं था, but I convinced a local printer to help me. And Shrikant uncle, I still remember, he said that जब पैसे कमाओ तो double दे देना. He refused to charge me money. And I still remember कि my first employee from that pamphlet, एक हफ्ता तो nobody came. So I was like यार हुबली आ गए कपड़ा लत्ता बांध के. Now तो मतलब you know I thought अभी the happy days will start. But you know struggle was not ending. उसके बाद after 1 week, through those pamphlets, one shopkeeper gave our number to another girl's mother, and her mother called up and she said, madam, मेरे बेटी को problem है, और and then nothing else. I was like, अच्छा आप आइए, and that's all. That was the conversation that we had. I still remember the first day that I saw that girl coming in. She came in crawling for the interview because at that point of time her parents could not afford a wheelchair. And in the interview she didn't speak a word, okay, and I was like, Kirti, her name is Kirti, so I was like, Kirti, kuch bolo, say something. She didn't say anything. I was like, say anything. Then she's like, दीदी आप हमको लेते क्या? I was like, तुम काम करती क्या? And she didn't even say yes. She just smiled. And she is our first employee. It's been 3 years for Kirti. Like, you know, if you would give her this thing, uska hands would shake and it would fall. A lot of things biology cannot explain. Today she counts money like this and sitting on her wheelchair, that same girl who came in crawling for the interview. She manages 7 other people with disabilities. 8 actually, 8 other people with disabilities. She's the manager for our first cafe. And also a motivational speaker. And the next time usko bhi bula lena. She's awesome.
Sure, for sure. Hearing this story from her side would be amazing too. And it is so good to hear such life-changing transformation. I mean, every staff had his or her life changed upside down. Seeing the current situation, the time of coronavirus, how has the coronavirus pandemic affected Mitti? I mean, how difficult has it been for you to operate in these tough times?
So see, for us, like all organizations, for profit, non-profit, we have 13 cafes, 13 ke 13 band ho gaye because corporates are shut, right? So we are within Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, Wells Fargo, and so on. All of them are shut. So we were like, abhi kya kare? We have, 116 adults with disabilities जो हमारे कैफे में काम करते हैं. Apart from that, 700 other odd adults with disabilities, wonderful people, only earning members of their family, sitting at home. So what do? Then we realized that जो हमारा ball rolling किया था ना, was community support. We went back to the community. We said, Mitti Cafe doesn't belong to us; it belongs to you, like it always belongs to you. And we started our first retail crowdfunding campaign, and in less than 14 days, we could raise 90 lakhs. People donated from between 25 rupees to a lakh, and we got 6,000 supporters worldwide and 90 lakhs in less than 14 days. We didn't stop there. The team, one of our employees with disabilities, he's got cerebral palsy, so he was rehabilitated from the road. He came to us and he said that लोग भूखे हैं, हमें खाना बनाना आता है. 2 lines, right? And that set the ball rolling for 100 meals. Today, in the last 6 months, we've served more than 10 lakh meals. These have been cooked and served by people with disabilities, to daily wage earners, initially migrant workers, the homeless, people suffering from leprosy, caretakers of patients at government hospitals and charitable hospitals. So it is our army, our warriors with disabilities who have not now taken over the baton. They are serving people through our Karuna Meals initiative. Not there. तो तभी भी हम लोग नहीं रुके. We thought कि यार बैठ के क्या मजा है. None of our people with disabilities want to work. घर पे बैठ के उन लोग को मतलब खाना नहीं है. They want to come out there, work on with dignity. That gives them a lot of respect. They kept on calling us कि कब शुरू होगा. हम लोग ने शुरू कर दिया. We've started our chain of cloud kitchens. Earlier we were only within corporates. So during COVID we started 2 new cafes, 2 new cloud kitchens. जब सारे businesses बंद हो रहे, we starting, and I think what really helps is faith. Faith is a very strong thing. Never ever underestimate it. And the faith in goodness, the faith in trying, the faith कि ultimately अच्छा होगा. That always works.
You guys are unstoppable. I mean, this is incredible that you guys started 2 new cafes during the coronavirus pandemic. While so many bad things are happening, this is something very, 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 very inspiring. When I first heard of you, there were, I think, 8 Mitti cafes established. How many units have you already established till now? Also, we would love to know about your expansion plan in future.
So it's 13 plus 2, 15 now. And
wow.
And additionally, we do plan to expand. This year we're looking at Calcutta, we're looking at Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad eventually, but so I think food is something that saved us because लोगों को खाना तो लगता है, and also the passion of our people, right? So I think the biggest, whenever you talk about any, and this is again another important lesson that I have learned that you all should understand. Forget about social business. Okay, let's remove social from business. Let's talk dhanda. Okay, let's talk business. So when you talk about business, guys, it is very important that you all know कि business कैसे किया जाए. So you need resources to do business, right? मतलब अलग financial resources, financial resources, ढंका resources. But the most important resource is human resource, right? Human resources. So I learned a lesson in life, and thankfully early, when I started the journey of Mitti Cafe, that I will never forget. So Sabiha is this girl who's got multiple sclerosis. ठीक है, उसका मतलब क्या है? Multiple sclerosis is a very severe disability. मतलब Kirti can move her hands, Sabiha, she can't move her hands or her legs, right? She has no control over that. So when Sabiha came and we tried to put her in the kitchen, it flopped, it didn't work out. Then we realized that she's got the gift of the gab, right? Which means that if you come in for a 5 rupees chai, she will talk you out of a 50 rupees combo meal. And that was her strength. And with Sabiha क्या हुआ था? I remember that her mother called up and she said Sabiha का तबीयत इतना अच्छा नहीं है, and she's wanting to come to work, and this is a peculiar problem that we face in the cafe. Everybody wants to come to work, and then I called up. I was like, ठीक है आंटी, हम देखते हैं. So I'll see that what I can do. So with how naive I was and how बेवकूफ I was ना when I started my entrepreneurship journey, I did something that I will never forget, but that has taught me a lesson I will never forget. So Sabiha ko I took aside, I took her, I was like, Sabiha, idhar now come. And I was like, Sabiha, if you're not feeling well, don't come for 1 week. Don't worry, I will not cut your pay. You know what she did to me changed my life. She scanned me left, right and center and she tells me, you think I come here for money? Job after job I've been rejected for. I'm a single mother raising my son. And I know what I get to your table. And every day I go back and I tell my son the stories of my girl, or you want to take that away from me and you say that I come here for money. I couldn't even apologize to her. And I realized then that people don't do what they do just for money. Even if you're doing business, right? Human resources, agar aapka sahi nahi hai, your business will collapse, right? And the first human resource is yourself. Your passion, your energy, your compassion, ethics needs to translate to your team. And there's nothing, that will, stop you from becoming successful. And that day I realized, उन लोगों को respect दो, dignity दो, give them a purpose of life, show them their abilities and they will show you magic. Today, Sabiha doesn't work with Mitti Cafe anymore. She has started her own kirana shop and she's one of our vendors. So our atta and chawal and chini comes from Sabiha. So Sabiha's shop, and she's employed a person with disability in her shop.
That is, you are spreading this idea of employing a disabled person, especially able person. You have spread this along the way, and I think more people are going to join this idea, and someday the world will transform into a better place. I think most of the people in the audience are students at the same stage where you were present some years back. What piece of advice or what piece of truth you would like to see before us that would make our lives a better one? Just one.
Yeah, so generally, one story that I go back to every time that, I want to motivate myself, कि यार problems तो अनेक है, there are just so many problems, so इतना atrocities across the world, so much of discrimination, injustice, but what is it that you can do at your individual level? And that was something that would scare me also, कि, what difference would it make? And then I came across this story that I tell myself even today, and that I want to share with you all. So there was a high tide हुआ था, and there were millions of starfishes on the shore. Okay, so there was this girl who was going, picking up one starfish, throwing it into the water, the other starfish throwing it into the water, and then a wise old man comes and उसको बोलता है कि young girl, what are you doing? And she doesn't respond. She keeps on doing her act, and then he again, this time assertively, young girl, what are you doing? The entire shore is full of starfishes. What difference does it make? So she said nothing. She picked up one starfish, threw it back into the water, and tells him it made a difference to that one. So for me, my starfish was Kirti, and every day I find my Kirti in different people, right? She is my motivation, that I want her story to reach that, the 1.2 billion people across the world who deserve a story like this, for whom economic independence and dignity should, no longer remain a privilege, but, should be a norm, right? Is that right? And for you all also, guys, when you all want to, agar apna journey start kar rahe hai na, I mean, your one starfish ke liye, it is that entire starfish's world. So never ever underestimate your efforts.
Sure, thank you, Alina. Last, I mean, you're sure have come a long way, Alina, and yet there are miles to go. I just want to ask a last but an important question. When can we expect a Mitti Cafe in our own city, Sultanpur?
अरे very soon, very soon. I mean, Mitti Cafe is मतलब anywhere where there is enthusiasm, where there is a passion for inclusion, and करना is not difficult at all, you know. So we set up a cafe. We just need 80 hours. मतलब 2 weekends हमें दे दो, हम लोग ribbon काट देंगे. So it is not difficult for y'all also. So anyone, अगर आप लोग को उधर Mitti Cafe करना है, या y'all want to do something similar, we'll be very very happy to collaborate. But we work in collaboration. We feel a participatory approach. Is the best approach to be in, where you know people feel a sense of ownership. So today a Kirti, a Sabiya, Abhairappa is again another interesting story. He's got dwarfism, and when he came, he did not know the concept of wearing slippers or even brushing his teeth. Today he is leading our entire team at Infosys, and he has found love at Mitti Cafe. So he's found Rupa, who's also got dwarfism, and they're gonna get married next week. So you know, every time I come across these amazing stories that are happening in front of me, I think it is very important for the world to know, you know, what y'all can do. And so many stories are just waiting to be, you know, revealed with just a little bit of push, in your own way.
That is amazing. Congratulations to him for everything else. So thank you, Alina. We just want a team snap. If everyone can open their cameras, team. Shant, Sahil, Arya, Pritima, Shubhamsu. Shreyash, everyone just please open their camera so we can take a snap. Shreyash, please take the snap. Where are you? Where is Shreyash? Here he is. Take the snap. Everyone can take the snap.
Okay, that's great.
Thank you, Alina.